Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE to LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can check all phone specifications on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar right away. Now you need to type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, tap on Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!